Hey everybody, it's Cassie from Helper Tech, and I just wanted to show you some symptoms of a broken screen on an iPhone 10. Now, these symptoms can happen on just about any phone once you crack it. This guy, once he cracked it, and then he got these lines down the middle, and the touch actually doesn't work anymore. These bright neon lines are actually pretty common. It just means that the LCD has been damaged, which his phone itself still receives notifications. It's still acting normally. You can see it's responding to me pressing the button. So the phone itself is just fine. It just looks kind of scary with that, with that weird lines and the not touching. So I'm going to just show you, we put a new screen on here and it'll work just fine. Now, if you're this is a very good example of phone that has been outside quite a bit, I would think. So I'm just disconnecting the battery. We're going to disconnect the screen. Looks like one of his other tabs popped up just from everything sticking together. Now there's a little bit of adhesive underneath the proc sensor that we're just going to be very careful about taking off. I will be moving his ear speaker and proximity sensor over to the new screen, but we're just going to show off, a new screen working on here. So we've got this guy. Now, this is a repair that we can do at either Helper Tech Burnsville or Helper Tech Eagan. We can replace the screen on an iPhone X for $229 if you can leave it with us for an hour, or if you're in more of a rush, you can do it in 15 minutes, and then you'd be looking at $249. And then all of our screen repair options do come with $20 worth of store credit towards any accessories or products that we sell. So you don't need an appointment. You can just stop in anytime during our business hours. We're open 8 to 6 during the week and Saturdays 10 to 3. So we're just going to turn this on. And see, now it's missing those bright neon lines. Now that we've got that new screen on there, we'll wait it to turn it on all the way so we can test the touch function. But so long as there's no motherboard damage, it should allow us to, log in. I've got his passcode if I need to test everything else out, make sure nothing else on the phone is damaged. More often than not, it is just the screen. They always look really scary, but it's kind of like if you just break the monitor of your computer. It's got nothing to do with the computer. It is just the thing that you can interface with. So yeah, it's saying no Face ID, but that's because I don't have the actual function on here. So you can see all the touches working. It's not having any issues. That was just the screen. So once again, we can do that at our Helper Tech Burnsville and our Helper Tech Eagan locations. If you have any questions, feel free to call us at 651-605-2575. You guys have a nice day.